everyone, I am Kelly Shaffner. Welcome to my channel and welcome to Stitch Fix. Yes, today I am unboxing my Stitch Fix. Thank you for joining me. If this is your first time joining me, please be certain to subscribe and join me for future videos. I make videos all about women's fashion. I do style boxes. I do lots of shopping hauls. Everything women's fashion. I hope that you will join me again. You know what? This is the last box I will open in the state of Nevada. Yes, we are moving and I have to get this one opened and decide if I want to keep everything. I really could use your help on this. Let me know what you think I should keep out of this box. I have no idea what is in here. My last Stitch Fix was kind of a dud. I didn't keep anything out of that box and I have some credit to use on this box if something works. I said I was going to put in a request to my stylist to give me some holiday fashion and I did not do that. The time got away from me and I neglected to do that, but I scheduled my next fix to happen rapidly after the last one without a note to my stylist. So let's just see what's in this box. So this is what my box looks like, and everything you need to know about Stitch Fix is printed right on the box. So it's really easy. If you have not tried Stitch Fix and would like to try it, you can use my referral link. It's in the description bar below, and you will get a little bit of credit towards your first box, and they will extend some credit to me. So thank you to everyone that has used my link. You guys are so very helpful. Thank you very much. So as you can see, we have a return mailer because postage is free with Stitch Fix. And we have an envelope that has a note from my stylist, and it also has an invoice, my least favorite part. Looky here. It sounds like jewelry. Yay, that's big too. Look how big that is. And here is my bundle. Ooh, oh my goodness. This looks really promising. We've got some color in there, and this is making me happy already. Okay, real quick, let's see who my stylist is. I don't want to see what's in here. Emily. Emily has been really good. I will read the note after I have unboxed all the clothing. Shall we start with the jewelry? I think we should. Let's see. Oh, there is a little card that talks about this jewelry. It's by Faux, and this is a necklace with great big links in it. This is beautiful. Now these feel like acrylic links. Can you see that? And it's multicolored, but still in a very neutral palette. This is so cool. Okay, let me read what it is. This is the Fair Saigon Layering Necklace in brown. Very, very nice. What do you think about this? Okay, I don't know what the price is, but if I can afford it, I am definitely keeping this. This is so unique. I love it. Okay, on the top, we have Daniel Raine. Yay. This is the Time crew neck blouse in burgundy. And this is a multicolored. It's got burgundy, it's got mustard, it's got cream colored, it's got orange. This is beautiful. And we have that cream color fabric sticking out underneath. What do we call that? I don't know. It escapes me, but it's got a rounded hemline there. We do have a zipper, a hidden zipper in the back. It's short sleeve. This is a polyester blouse. It feels like a work blouse, but I love the colors in this, and I'm excited to try this on. Yeah, this is right up my alley. I really like Daniel Raine top. Next up, we have the Staccato Alberta lace up back knit top in olive. Ooh, that's a mouthful. Okay, this is the super soft Stitch Fix fabric. This is in an olive green. It is just a long sleeve knit top. It's got an even hemline, but that detail in the back, that lace detail in the back, honestly, I don't know how I feel about that. We'll see how it looks on. It is, because there is, you can see it's going to, you're going to have to wear something underneath it, or skin perhaps might show. I don't know. I don't know about this one. I mean, it's pretty, and I don't know. Hopefully it will be long and maybe appropriate to wear with leggings. That would be really nice. And next item we have is a Stitch Fix exclusive. This is by Pink Clover, which is a brand I really like. This is the Penton 2-pocket cardigan in burgundy. This is a burgundy cardigan with patch pockets. It's a lightweight knit. I don't need a burgundy cardigan. I have several burgundy cardigans. This one is very nice. The Pink Clover brand seems to wash and wear really well. I might keep it to get the 5 for $5, but it's not something that I need. But it is Christmas time and I could give this as a gift. I went through this before with my last burgundy cardigan that one of my boxes sent to me, and I did send that one back, but I think I might be able to keep this one and give it to my mother as a Christmas gift. Last piece of clothing that we have is by 41 Hawthorne. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. This is by 41 Hawthorne. This is a Le Faux leather tuxedo stripe skinny pant. It's in black. And do we have faux pockets in the back? Faux pockets in the back, stitch pockets in the front, but we have that faux leather tuxedo stripe, and I love stripes down the side of my pants. And this is like a polyester. Let's see how stretchy they are. They seem to be pretty stretchy. This looks really promising. I'm still digging this necklace. Isn't it awesome? Okay, my note says, "Hi Kelly, happy Fix Day, hooray. I've got some more cute pieces for you today. I hope you'll find a few more things that you love. I've started off with the amazing faux leather tuxedo striped skinnies from 41 Hawthorne that we just got in. These are perfect for the holiday parties ahead. Try them today with the gorgeous blouse from Raine. I've added in the super soft cardigan from Pink Clover to layer over the blouse. Then have added in a totally on-trend statement tortoise necklace from Fair. Style with either heels or your favorite booties and you're good to go. Also, be sure to check out the cute and comfy lace back top from Staccato, perfect with jeans. Enjoy and happy holidays. Best, Emily." So here's my style card, so you can see how she's styled. And nothing in here really stands out to me. She's got the skinny pants paired with a denim jacket. I don't have my denim jacket with me right now. Let's talk about these clothes and see what I'm going to keep. Okay, I have just glanced at my invoice and the total of this box is $288. Let's go through each piece and I'll tell you what I think of it. The layering necklace by Fair is $54. I love this. I read the little card that they sent. The company has put women in Ecuador and Vietnam to work, and really with some remarkable results, making jewelry and becoming self-supporting through their own contributions, and they get health insurance, and this is just a fabulous company. But even more than that, I like the necklace. I think this is really an unusual, lightweight piece. It's $54. I think that's a high price to pay, but I also think that this is a very unique piece and it goes to a good cause that I really want to support. So the necklace is mine. I love it. I love this necklace. The Raine top just didn't fit right. I think the top part fit fine, and this underlying piece, this just fit a little wonky in the back and even in the front. When I moved around, I had to adjust this quite a bit. This is $68. Now, I am not going to keep it only because the fit wasn't perfect. I really like the colors. I always seem to buy every Raine that's sent to me, but this is the first one I'm going to send back. This is $68 and it just didn't fit right. Okay, here's where I need some help. The 41 Hawthorne tuxedo pant. Now, I like the idea behind these pants. My stylist asked me to try these on with some heels, and I didn't. I've got a sore ankle, and so I just tried them with flats. I do think that they would look much better with a black bootie or a high heel, black high heel. Now, the thing about these pants that is making me kind of question whether or not I should purchase them is they have a lower rise than I'm used to wearing. They're very comfortable. So let me know what you think about the fit. I love the faux leather stripe going down the side of them. I love stripes. I think it's very well done. They're very comfortable. I'm just not sure about the rise because I am so accustomed to high-rise pants right now. But I think I can wear these beyond the holidays. These are $78. I think that's a great price for kind of a novelty pant. Yeah, so I'm thinking about keeping these, but I'd like to hear what you think about them. Next up is the pink Clover cardigan. When I tried this on, I really liked it. I felt like this is a much lighter weight than any of the burgundy cardigans I already own, but I do own burgundy cardigans. This one's only $44. That is a super price for a cardigan, for pink Clover. I love the brand. Should I keep this for my mother? I'm really thinking about it. I like it for myself, but how many burgundy cardigans does a girl need? And the last piece is this olive colored top. It's got the lace-up back by Staccato. This is $44. You know, I wasn't wowed by it. I feel like it was just a real simple, plain, basic piece. I don't know how I feel about this back detail. I don't think a whole lot of back was actually exposed, but I'm questioning how that is going to wash as well. I've had lace-up blouses before, and once I wash them and try to lace it up myself, it never looks quite the same. So even though the price tag of $44 is a great price, I think I'm gonna pass on this as well. I'm definitely keeping the necklace, maybe the tuxedo striped pants, and again, I'm considering the cardigan. The buy all discount on this box is $72. I could keep all 5 pieces for $216. I'm not gonna keep everything. There's just a few pieces in here that I know I will not wear. I like 3 of the pieces. I could sure use your help and your opinions. Let me know what you think about this stitch fix. That's a wrap on this stitch fix. That's a wrap on my videos from the state of Nevada. But there will be more videos coming from my new home, so stay tuned for those. And could I get a thumbs up? I really appreciate it. Please leave your comments below. I do my best to answer every single comment. Merry Christmas to everyone, and you will see me very soon. Blessings to all of you.